Hello everyone, with Zira here, and welcome to the new car 2017 channel. Yes, it can crawl. We managed to billy goat it over some improbable terrain, but this is a wide open spaces truck. That's why we're in a place with room to run. Out here, the new Raptor requires you to hard code a different set of limits into your protesting brain. Unless you've been cutting up the desert on the regular, this isn't intuitive. But the right foot obeys. At this moment, thanks to throttle on weight transfer, the unloaded wheels droop as the 9-stage Fox shocks extend like the landing gear they're about to become. Had you braked, they'd be compressed, and you'd hit the other side of the sandy chasm with much less than the full 13 inches of front and 13.9 inches of rear travel. And the landing isn't cushy, since your 5,500-pound truck came down at around 60 mph. But nothing breaks, which seems either miraculous or magical. And then you laugh, a hooting sound that nothing hears, because everything that can move on legs or wings has already fled the approach of the Raptor. Or anything nearly this engaging. At 70 mph, all four wheels completely off the sandy loam, every mental alarm blaring but with a smile as wide as the desert, you really don't care about the transmission. You can't hear the 3.5 liter over the sand blasting happening in the wheel wells. In the moment, all there is to focus on is what the Raptor can do. And you don't want to stop doing it.